Hello and good morning to everyone. This is your maths teacher Rajiv Sharma from Government Smart Middle School, Mendipur, Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar. Warm welcomes you in this session of EMS. That is, expand your mathematical skills. A platform where you can shed all your fears regarding maths. I mean to say, all your fears will get disappeared. So today's topic is regarding a great mathematician, Srinivas Ramanujan. I'm going to narrate you a very interesting incident about him. You see, Ramanujan was a great mathematician who lived in the years 1887 to 1920 during the British rule. He contributed substantially in the field of mathematics by giving mathematical analysis, number theory, then continuous fractions, infinite series, and also the solutions of the mathematical problems which were once unsolved. Once a person asked Ramanujan why he didn't have any friend. Ramanujan replied that he too wanted to have a close friend, but nobody came to his expectations. The person then asked, "What do you expect from a friend?" Ramanujan replied, "I want the friends to be like these two numbers, 220 and 284. The person got surprised. How these two numbers are connected with the friendship? Then Ramanujan asked him to find the divisors of these numbers. Though it was a difficult task, but somehow he managed to find all the divisors of both the numbers. The divisors of 220 are these, and of 284 are written here. Then Ramanujan said, "Okay, now omit the numbers itself from the divisors. That is, omit 220 from the number 220. So now all the divisors are written here without 220. Okay. This is omitted. In the same way, he asked to omit 284 from all the divisors of 284. Okay. Now he asked him to add these divisors. After adding all the remaining divisors of the number 220, he was astonished. The sum came to be 284 of 220 and that of 284 as 220. He was very surprised. Then Ramanujan told that the friendship should be like these two numbers, 284 and 220. When the presence of one can be felt when the other is absent. I mean to say, both are complementing each other. When one is absent, his friend should represent him. So this is the moral what we get from the incidents of a great mathematician, Ramanujan. And with this, I wish you all to have friends like 220 and 284. Thank you very much and wish you a happy and a prosperous day. Thanks once again. Thank you very much.